Claude just extended access to their most powerful model, and most people have no idea the clock is already ticking again. If you're on a paid Claude plan, you've got a few extra days to use their strongest model yet before it potentially disappears for good. And what you do in these next few days could genuinely save you hundreds of hours down the line. Let me break down exactly what's happening, why it matters more than people realize, and exactly what I do with the time you've got left. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. Claude Fable 5, which is Anthropic's newest top-tier model and the first release in their Claude 5 family, was originally set to lose access on paid plans today. But that access just got extended out to July 12th. That gives you a few extra days to actually use it before it's potentially pulled from the subscription entirely. Here's why this matters. Right now, if you're on a paid Claude plan, you can use up to 50% of your weekly usage limits, specifically on Fable 5. And on early benchmarks, it's testing out as the strongest model in that family so far, ahead of what most people have been working with up until now. So this isn't a small model getting a small extension. This is Anthropic's flagship model, and you've now got a short, confirmed window to actually put it to work before it might get locked behind a different tier or pulled entirely. And here's the part people keep getting wrong. A lot of people are going to see this extension and think, okay, I'll just wait. I'll get to it eventually. No rush. That's exactly the wrong move. Frontier models like this don't always stay available on the plan you're already paying for once the initial window closes. Sometimes the newest, most powerful version gets moved behind a higher tier, and there's no guarantee that ever changes back. Sure, there might be a Fable 6 or a Fable 7 down the line, but nobody knows if that one lands back on your current subscription the same way this one did. So if this is your window, you use it now. Waiting for it to come back later isn't a plan, it's a bet, and it's not a bet I'd make with my own workflow. The smart move is to treat this like a deadline, because functionally, that's exactly what it is. So what would I actually do with the next few days? First thing, I'd sit down and list out every repetitive task in my business, not vague ideas, actual specific tasks. Writing outreach emails, researching competitors, checking analytics, formatting content, following up with leads, whatever it is you personally do by hand every single week that eats up your time. That list takes maybe 10 minutes to write out with a notepad, and that list becomes your automation backlog. Then, one task at a time, you take that list into Fable 5 and ask it to build you a tool or workflow that automates that specific task. Not automate my whole business, that's too vague, and it genuinely won't work well. You want to be specific. Something like, here's exactly what I do step by step when I do this task. Now build me a tool that does this automatically. That specificity is what makes the difference between a model that gives you something generic and a model that actually builds something you'll use every single day. And honestly, this is where most people struggle, not with the AI itself, but with getting clear on their own process first. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's something important, because this is where a lot of people are going to mess this up. Fable 5 burns through usage fast. It's a powerful model, which means it's also a hungry model, and if you're not careful, you'll rinse through your weekly allowance a lot quicker than you'd expect. So if you go in without a plan, you could blow through your entire weekly limit in a single day, and then you've wasted your window. A few ways to stretch it further. First, before you even build anything, get Fable 5 to just write out the plan for the automation you want. Not build it yet, just plan it. Decide the structure, the steps, the logic, or the decision points up front. Once that plan exists, A lot of the actual implementation work can be handled by a lighter, less token hungry model because the hard thinking part is already done. The model doesn't need to be as powerful if it's just following a plan someone already worked out in detail. Second, if you're not doing anything that requires heavy reasoning, like basic formatting or simple interface work, dial the effort down. Most platforms let you choose how much reasoning power gets applied to a task, and running everything on maximum effort by default is just wasting your limit on stuff that never needed it in the first place. Match the power of the model to the difficulty of the task, and you'll stretch this window a lot further than you think. Here's the last piece, and I think it's the one people skip. Once you've built out your automations, don't just leave them sitting there assuming they'll keep working. Go back through everything you built and actually run it all the way through from start to finish. Try to break it on purpose if you have to. Find the parts that don't work properly, the edge cases you didn't think about, and while you've still got access to the strongest model, get it to fix those issues right there on the spot. That way, when the extension ends, whatever you built keeps working without you needing the top tier model to maintain it going forward. You get the heavy lifting done now while the tool is available instead of needing it later just to patch small problems that pop up down the line. This is the difference between building something that quietly breaks in a week and building something that actually holds up. Look, some people are going to say a few days isn't enough time to build anything real. Honestly, that's not true. If you sit down for even an hour or two with a clear, specific task in mind, you can automate a genuine chunk of the repetitive work you're doing by hand right now. And some people are going to say they'll just wait until the model comes back around eventually. And maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Newer versions might show up down the line, but there's no guarantee they land back on your current plan the same way this one did, and that's a risk most people don't think through until it's too late. So don't sit on this one. Take 10 minutes, write out what you actually do every single day that eats up your time, and start feeding those tasks into Fable 5.1 at a time while you've still got the access. The people who actually move on this in the next few days are going to walk away with tools that keep saving them hours long after the window closes. Everyone else is going to be exactly where they are right now, except with a few less days on the clock and nothing built to show for it. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.